how to log in or sign in to Mercari account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log into Mercari or sign into Mercari account. Now if you are stuck trying to log into Mercari account, then what you want to do is you just want to simply follow the steps. You can head into your browser here. I'll just show you on the browser here, and you want to type in Mercari, and you can see the very first link Mercari here showing up, and under it you can see the login there in English. Now above it you can see in the Japanese particularly, I guess, and below it you can see login there. Simply tap on login here, and what you want to do is here you should get to the login page directly. Now if you already have an account, you can simply type in your email address here, you can type in your password and simply tap on login and you'll be good to go. However, if you don't have an account, what you can do is you can sign up using your Apple account, your Facebook account or Google account, or if you don't find these options, you can simply tap on sign up option at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on sign up, either ways it'll prompt you to Google, Facebook or Apple, so it's just easy to sign up with these. However, if you want, you can enter in your email address here, your display name here, your password, and simply tap on I agree to continue and tap on sign up option and you'll be good to go. Or you can simply tap on continue with Google and choose a Google account to continue with and confirm it. And once you confirm it here, now you can see something went wrong. It should be server issue, but you will be good to go. So this way you can log in or sign into Mercari account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.